In pharmaceuticals, a single batch record error doesn't just cost money, it costs trust, and sometimes lives. Your team is managing executable SOPs, audits, deviations, CAPAs, complaints, change controls, and more, all under regulatory scrutiny, all at once. One system should hold all of that. QualityPro does. A pharma-built QMS with an intuitive and user-friendly interface that guides your team step by step, from raw material inspection to final product release. Its electronic batch records and ALCOA Plus compliant document management keep your data clean and defensible. Calibration management keeps equipment qualified. Role-based authorization and stage-wise quality checks ensure the right people act at the right time. And nothing moves forward without the right sign-off. QualityPro is built around risk-based quality thinking, with tools like 6M analysis, PFMEA, DFMEA, and fishbone analysis to identify failures before they happen. It connects with the systems your operation already runs on and supports every compliance standard your industry demands, no matter where you sit in the pharmaceutical ecosystem. Cloud-based, live from day one. QualityPro by TecWork. Pharmaceutical quality management done right.